Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you the project I've been working on in Rolling Line for a long time. And also announcing a new project idea for your guys' decision. So right in front of you here is my rendition of Dashler, Ohio. You can see a CSX train coming around now. I've done a lot of work to this. I haven't made like an entire signal system just yet. That is in the works. There's not like a lot of B&O style position lights in the game. But this is pretty cool. I got the little park here. I don't know how that got up there, but it did. Got the little park here and the houses behind here. It's not exactly to scale. It's just a rough rendition of it. Here you can see, here's the train heading over crossing. We got a Mack leading and a Gevo trailing on a oil train. Also over here we got intermodal train pulling out on main 2 here. The CNC 44-9WL leading. This is a completely closed loop. It is very easy to understand as long as you're running how I have it set up. Now what you can do is you can go down here and flip this switch right here. This is very important. You flip that switch and you also go over here and you flip this switch as well. And then you can also speed both of these trains up to whatever speed you would like. It does look a little weird going around the corners here because it's got very tight, very tight corner. But I do have, I believe, 4 trains running around here, right now. So this line right here, this is the line to get in, or this is like a kind of a runaround line, to get to the here. So you can turn on, if there's a few different ways you can do this. I don't recommend like sending the trains down that top line because A, you have your trains going this way, and B, if you want to turn onto it, you have to go over this second main here. We also got an Autorec coming on right now, the H1 and Mack duo there. Sometimes very cool to see the trains go by. I want to kind of keep this a little bit short here, but we have a lot of work to do here. I have a lot of work here to get this fully accurate or somewhat accurate to the prototype. Now, I'm doing my best here to do this, and it will take me a long time. I'm not saying it won't. It's gonna take me probably at least another good year of work to kind of pull this out. If you want to download this current version that I'm playing on right now, it will be in the link in the description. You must have Rolling Line installed to do that, to download this. Also, I do have the mods for this map already is like a packaged mod in here already, so you don't have to worry about that. But let's get on to one of the main points of this video here, not just to show off this Dashler map, but for you guys to vote on what I make next. So the choices as of now are Fostoria, Ohio. Let me look here. I don't know if this is going to see recording. I think it will. Yep. Fostoria, Ohio are your choices. Elkhart, Indiana. My home line, which is the CSX Lakeshore Division, I believe, from Holland to Wyoming, because I'm not going to do the entire thing. Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, or you can choose another option, but I would really like to do one of those 4 options that I am on. So hopefully, this will be kind of a cool little video for you guys to vote on what I make. Hopefully it's... I really want it to be Sault Ste. Marie or... not Fostoria, Elkhart. I think that'd just be really cool. Also, I want to make like a quick note here. I have 864 pages of mods. So, I can do a lot of customization over railroads. So if you wanted me to do a specific railroad, except like short lines, like a major class 1, I probably have enough rolling stock to do that. But it is very, very cool to be working on projects like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and snippet of what I've been doing for the past. This was actually about 3 months or 4 months of work to get this far. I just want to say thank you guys for watching.